My favorite day of the year. Earth Day. It's my favorite day of the year, too. Of course, Amber. We both share a love of nature and all the things involved with it. Yep. I mostly love Nature Day because of water. We all must preserve water. Yep. Water is an important part of nature, Dewey. I love nature in general because, well, it's where my origins are from, my roots. Nature is my home. We know, Wildheart, and we're very glad it is. I personally love nature because it's what inspired me to open up my flower shop to share nature's wonders with the village. And that's very great, Mrs. Honey. Very great. Very great. Hey, everybody. Oh, hello, Flora. Hi, Flora. Hey. I want you all to meet a new friend of mine. Oh, really? Who is that? Meet my new friend, the bird of nature, Eartha. Ooh. Greetings. I am Eartha, guardian of nature. Whoa. A real guardian of nature? Yes. Oh, if you're a guardian of nature, can you make plants grow? Do you have plant growing powers? Yes, I do. You can make all kinds of things grow? Yes. I even have the power to bring plants to life. Really? Indeed. I protect all the flora of the world. Wow, that's amazing. Well, it's so nice to meet you, Flora. It's very nice to meet all of you, too. Happy Earth Day, everybody. Keep nature beautiful.